Okay, so this is our 9232 using the Ipconfig command. I've been doing a lot of these. I'm a little tongue twisted. Okay, so the objective here is to use the Ipconfig command, which we've probably all used already, to identify an incorrect configuration on a PC. So the background is a small business owner cannot connect to the internet with one of the 4 PCs in the office. All of the PCs are configured with static IP addressing. Use the ipconfig all command to identify which PC is incorrectly configured. So we're going to verify the configurations by accessing the command prompt on each one. So let's start at 1 and the desktop command prompt, and what we're going to do is ipconfig/all and then hit enter. Okay, ipconfig/invalid command. Okay, so let's go to the next one and see if we have the same situation. Desktop command prompt, ipconfig/all, hit enter. Invalid command. Okay, not as simple as I thought, so I'll be right back. Just a moment. Okay, it might be as simple as a space, so let's try this. Config space/all. Haha, it was just that simple. So sometimes it's hard when we're reading it on the papers to actually see that there's a space there. Okay, so we want to examine the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway configuration on each PC. Be sure to record this IP configuration for each PC to help identify any PCs that are incorrectly configured. So, what we see here is the IP address. This is, remember, we're on PC 2 right now. So it looks like the IP address is correct and the subnet is correct. The default gateway 192.168.10.1, we'll check on that. Okay, so let's close that. I would say that this 102 would be the next computer that you would do. I mean, you'd name them in order, don't you think? Config space. Okay, now right off the bat, this one seems to have a different default gateway, which may create a problem. So this is 192.168.1.1. Okay, as we can also see, the computer is 101, but this IP address is a 1 instead of a 10. So that could be a problem. Let's go back and look at the second one. It's 1.101. 1.102. Okay, but the default gateways were different on them. So let's see what number 3 does. All right, this is 103. Default gateway is 1.1, which was the same as number 1, but not the same as number 2. So I would say it's looking like number 2 was the problem. Let's see what number 4 has to say. Space. Okay, 1.104, so we know the IP addresses have been in order. They've been 101, 102, 103, 104. And the gateway default here is again 192.168.1.1. That is the same on PCs 1, 3, and 4, but is not the same on PC 2. So, correct any misconfigurations. Okay, so we know that what our problem is on computer 2. So let's go into there. Let's see the IP configuration here. The default gateway should be just 1, not 10. So does that do it, or does that just show us? All right, so here we go. Now we see that the default gateway right here is the same as the others. It has been changed from the 10 one to the 1 one as the others were. And we're going to check results in our PT. 100%. All right, check results. Check results is locked. Well, I don't know why that is, but it looks like we got it correct. I think we've done it. Thank you.